tired of following the ditch. I think I'll make a bridge. That's the extent of my planning right there. How much material you actually have. There's what you want and there's what you have. Put some spray paint on last night so it's still curing, but I think it came out pretty good. My neighbor had some steel. I forgot I needed some flat bar for the floorboards to rest on, but he kind of saved my butt on those, and I just had some extra gussets lying around because I ran out, but I think it'll work.